Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making your data analysis ready. Put labels in the first column and numeric values in the adjacent column. Include a header row so Sheets recognizes series names. Once your table is clean, click and drag to select the exact range you want charted. Make sure there are no blank rows or stray totals inside the selection. If your table is large, use Ctrl plus Shift plus down to extend selection. This first action sets the chart structure and prevents mislabeled axes later. Once the range is selected, go to Insert and choose Chart. The chart editor opens on the right. Immediately switch the chart type to bar chart or stacked bar, depending on whether you want grouped or cumulative bars, and confirm the data range and x-axis are correct. Then use the Customize tab to edit series colors, add data labels, adjust axis min/max, and toggle grid lines for readability. Make spacing and font choices now, because visual clarity prevents misinterpretation of the values. Finalize by resizing and aligning the chart on your sheet so it's presentation ready. Copy and paste into docs or slides, or download as PNG/PDF from the three-dot menu. Once done, share the sheet with appropriate view or edit permissions to preserve interactivity. If the chart looks off, make sure numbers are true numeric types and not text, remove blank rows, and reselect the range to refresh. Also check for hidden rows or filters. That single troubleshooting tip, verify data types, fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.